Welcome back to the channel and happy Wednesday. Sorry, I got y'all a little crooked there. So today I am working on a surprise for another channel. We are working on salt and pepper scratchers from Alabama to Washington, pinkies up. We are doing a scratch board, aka scratch tray for them. So this was going to be in the middle. Obviously, I have to cut this out still. And this is what the person wanted for them. Somebody in the community who's amazing got this for them, and I'm not going to say who did it till the very end, so you got to stick it out to the end. So we have this that's going to go one corner. That's Savannah. I really hope I'm saying y'all names right. Savannah with the salt shaker, Shanice with the pepper shaker. So that's going to kind of go in the corners. That one's going to go in the middle. I have the base already poured right here. Now there's a lot of different colors in that logo, so I'm going to be using some greens, some fuchsias, some, what do we got here? I have fern green, mint green. This is a metallic bluish green. We have fuchsia, heather violet, and a magenta, and then obviously white. We are also going to be doing some coins for them, okay? So I originally tried to put actual salt and pepper in a coin mold with some epoxy. When epoxy starts to cure, it gets very hot and it dissolved the salt and pepper, so that wouldn't work. So what I did is I took some very fine white and black glitter. As you see, most of this tray is done. I still have to fill these in. I don't know if the GoPro shows it any justice, but this kind of looks like salt and pepper in there. So then I have their stickers there. So I have to seal these in, put the other two stickers in, and mix up some more black and white glitter for this. But let's go and get this tray done. I'm going to get you guys pointed down here so you can see it, hopefully. There we go. Actually, I could turn it that way. There we go. Boring part is done. I have the clear mixed up. Let me get all these lids open on these alcohol inks here. I think this is going to be absolutely beautiful. Oh, it never fails, y'all. It never fails. I always get this crap all over me. It's just part of life, I guess. Part of being a, what do you call it, crafter? Something's. All right, we got all those open. So we're going to fill this up. Not all the way to the top, because it still has to get another layer. We just want to put enough in here to get it covered up there. Make sure you get it all the way to the edges, like so. It is self-leveling, so it will level out, so we're going to let that level out there. Put maybe just a little more. Alright. Let that level out there and do that thing real quick. Ouch. Just stabbed my finger or something. Look, it don't fail. I already got blue on there. Make sure you guys can see. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start dropping colors in. I think I am going to go kind of just drop them in. I'm going to try to do it at an angle here. There are a lot of different colors in this tray, or the sticker, I should say. That is going to be pretty. Kind of go back and forth. Okay, we got that one there. That one there. I think this one is about empty. Yep, that one's toast. Put that there. We'll put some more of this here. Okay. We're going to kind of let that do its thing for a minute here. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of slide these over here for now. I'm gonna slide that up. So you guys can still kind of see it there. We're gonna take this mold here. I gotta take, actually I need both cups. Well, no, I don't, I need 1 cup. We're gonna take some of this clear and pour it in here. I'm going to take some of the white glitter and I'm going to take some of the black glitter and pour it in here to make it look like salt and pepper. I think this is very awesome of that person in the community to do this, because I tell you what, there's a lot of awesome people out there, y'all. And we're going to mix this up. That's kind of changing there. There's a lot of dark colors in that logo, so I had to go to their channel and look at their new dog tag logo, and that's kind of where I got that from. So when I do a tray, and if you have a lot of dark colors in your logo, I try not to put a lot of dark colors in the tray because it's just too much dark. So there's that. Alright, and then we still have to add a little clear to these. So I'm going to move these up, actually, out of the way. Make sure you guys can still see. So in here, I'm just pouring the base that looks like salt and pepper. It's just white and black extra fine glitter. But I think it looks cool. Like, it really sucks that I couldn't really use real salt and pepper. Because, like I said, the epoxy gets hot and it started to dissolve in it. So that didn't work. But it would have been awesome. Y'all hear him snoring? As always. That boy always snoring. Oh, I wish I could sleep like he does. Him's happy. Him's got full tummies. Alright. There's that. So that's all I'm doing there. I am going to move this over here. Like so. Now I'm going to take the one that I already have mostly done. I'm going to put these 2 stickers in here while we're waiting for the alcohol ink in the tray to kind of settle a little bit before I swirl it. And I did all these stickers. So there's 16 coins being made in a beautiful tray for the beautiful salt and pepper scratchers, y'all. Alright. So now on this one, I'm just going to be sealing them in the clear. So let's go. Alright, let's see what we got here. I have more mix sitting over here to the side. Yep, because we need some more. I prepared because I actually have quite a few orders to work on. But this is the order for this week. Next week, you guys will have to tune in because not only am I doing some trays, I am actually also making some other things. That is something a little different. So that's cool. I will be in here on Bubble Watch for a while. These are so pretty. I can't wait to see how the black and white glitter looks after on the other side with the white backing from the sticker. I think they're gonna look great. All right, we're just gonna set that in there for right now. Let me move this. Try to move this over here. I'm gonna move these stickers way over there. I'm gonna take this rubbing alcohol and I'm just giving them a little spritz like so. All right, let me clean some of this up and we'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Let me get this straightened out a little bit here. First, I'm gonna stand up and I'm gonna look at the edges just to make sure everything is got stuff, because you know, like I said before, alcohol ink loves to pull to the center. Okay. Yeah, I really hear him snoring now. That's because he's laying like right here. Okay. No, so there is some shimmers in this. I got this shit all over my hands, y'all. It never fails. I think this is going to be pretty. Yeah, because alcohol ink likes to pull to the center. Alright, I got me stick. Let's go. Make sure you guys can see. I think that is going to look beautiful. All right, I'm going to move you guys over this way so you can kind of see what I'm doing here. Okay? I know it always looks crazy at this time. What do I do with this sticker? So, remember, I still have to cut this out. But do you see all the colors that are in this sticker? Let me straighten y'all out here. I need a third arm. See all the colors in the sticker, and it's so dark. It's a beautiful logo, but it's dark. So you don't want your tray to be dark. But look, I think it matches pretty damn good. So this will go in the middle. Obviously, I have to cut it out. And then, almost slipped up and said who. One will go up top in this corner, and one will go down here in this corner. I think it's absolutely beautiful. Salt and pepper scratchers. I really hope you like it. We're going to let this stuff set for 24 hours. I'm going to be on bubble watch. We got these sitting here. And we'll be back tomorrow. See how it looks. Alright, so technically it has been 48 hours, you guys. We have the tray for salt and pepper scratchers, and there's 16 coins here. They are done. We are going to pop these out of the mold. I'm going to slide that tray over. We'll do the tray last. Here are the coins. I think they are going to look absolutely beautiful. Now remember, I tried to make it look like salt and pepper in the back. So here's the front. It really does kind of look like salt and pepper. It's just a shiny salt and pepper. And there's the back. Woo, these turned out so cool. I hope you ladies enjoyed this. And I know you're just dying to want to know who did this for you. But I'm going to tell you once we pop everything out. So you have 16 coins here. They are 2-inch diameter, like a regular metal, like my metal coin. Like a lot of the metal coins that channels have are usually 2-inch diameter. They're just thicker. But I tell you what, these suckers work good. And obviously they have to sit for a week. And I have to go through and sand the edges. Pick these little extra things. But these things work great. The epoxy coins work amazing for gummy tickets, y'all. And they're light. You know how some of them channel coins are heavy. Not everybody likes holding those heavy coins. So I have to go around and sand the edges. They turned out beautiful. Look how shiny they are. Look at that, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? It looks like it's going to rain. It's so pretty. Don't mind all the crap on my hands. I'm working on orders. Alright, so there are your 16 channel coins. Woo! They're pretty. Alright, y'all. Here's the moment. Y'all beautiful tray. With the stickers on it. Look at that. I know it's hard to see from the glare. We have a sticker there. Their new logo that's on their dog tag there. And that one there. This is beautiful. We're going to pop this sucker out. This thing is gorgeous, y'all. The colors match perfect. Woo! So there's the back. And there's the front. But I'm going to get you guys out so it's not glaring so bad there. And I will do a short of this in the sun because there is some shimmer in there. But that is absolutely beautiful, y'all. Look at that. I hope you ladies love your scratcher tray. Once again, all this has to set for a week and I need to sand it. Let me grab one of your coins here. Look at the coins. Look at the coins. Oh. Absolutely beautiful. And it looks like salt and pepper. I hope you ladies really enjoy it. And I know you're dying to know who got this made for you, and it's absolutely amazing, you guys. This community is amazing. So you have 16 coins and this, but I am going to send one of these coins to the person that did this for you because I have their package here. Big shout out to Mrs. Tracy. Mrs. Tracy is an amazing person. She's a big supporter of the community. I absolutely love her to pieces. Just to give her a phone call and talk to her, she really just, she helps me out, y'all. So, Salt and Pepper Scratchers, all this here is because of Miss Tracy. She wanted to get you ladies a scratcher tray and some epoxy coins made. So, a big shout out to Miss Tracy. Big shout out to Salt and Pepper Scratchers. If you don't know who Salt and Pepper Scratchers are, go subscribe to them. I hope you ladies love your stuff. Like I said, it has to set for a week, and then I have to sand it. But I have Miss Tracy's order over here, so I hope it's okay with you ladies. I'm going to put one over there in her order since she paid for this tray and these coins for you. So that's it for this week. If you are new here, subscribe, like, comment, share. It doesn't cost a thing. Turn on your notification bell. You know, it's unfortunate with the new rules that are coming up next year with YouTube, so it is what it is. This is absolutely beautiful. But yes, this has to set for a while. And then I go around and sand the edges. And then I usually do a short the day I ship it. So there's that. Salt and Pepper Scratchers. I need your address. So I can get, when I do ship it, I get it shipped out to you. I hope you ladies love it. Big shout out again to Miss Tracy. Thank you so much, everybody, for all love, support, and for letting me make your guys' stuff and supporting a small business. If you're interested in getting anything made for your channel, it's email me at PrincessScratcher@yahoo.com. And go check out my other channel too, PrincessScratcher, where I scratch the lottery tickets. Till next time, guys, you have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.